Welcome to the Photoshop Training Masterclass. Master Photoshop, the world's most famous graphic and photo editing software. What if we told you that without any previous knowledge, you can bring anything in your imagination to life and much more? All this in just a fraction of the usual learning time through our amazing and easy to understand video tutorials. We will start with the basics, importing images, fast and simple editing. We will show you how to change color and add effects. You will also learn how to use layers, remove objects, master portrait retouching, and many more features. Adding watermarks and text, creating flyers, posters, and other fun techniques will become second nature. Start this exciting journey today and make your photos truly outstanding. As we guide you through each feature, we will give you the expert advice on every aspect of creating superb images. You will gain confidence, and you will navigate through this program comfortably and easily. At the end of this course, you will have a full understanding of this great program so that you too can build up your creativity and make your photos amazing. From wedding photography to landscape, corporate headshots, or architecture, if you can imagine it, nothing will stop you from creating it. Learn how to transform the ordinary into the extraordinary. Become an expert photographer.